Hello, I'm Tanya Shodine with Keller Williams Realty at 211 Argo Circle in the Cypress Ridge community. This home is located on a super quiet street and it backs to woods and has lagoon view, very close access to the main amenity center. Beautiful covered front porch, and then you enter the entry foyer. There is a formal dining room and then a sitting space with vaulted ceilings. Open floor plan, spacious kitchen with an upgraded Wolf stove. The fireplace and built-ins, beautiful view of the lagoon. The owner's suite is on the main floor, tucked at the back of the home. Tray ceiling and ceiling fan. You come back this way, there's another bedroom with a full hall bath. Outside is super peaceful with the calming water views, the screened lanai, paver patio, fire pit, upgraded landscaping. There is a shed on the side of the home as well. Thank you for watching this video tour. If you have any interest in this property and would like additional information, please give me a call or text at 732-298-4194, or you can email me at tanyashodine@kw.com.